Hello everyone, this is Hussain and I'm with a new vlog. So at the moment I am in Nagoya. So the purpose of this vlog is we just want to show you the city aspects of Nagoya. Nagoya is one of the prefecture of Japan, and yeah, if now you can come here, you can see this is a very iconic symbol of Nagoya. You can see, and these kind of towers you will find almost in every big city of Japan. So these are this symbolic representation. So at the moment you can see it's maybe around 11 o'clock at night. So most of the time, and particularly after COVID, so 8 o'clock usually they close their markets, but still some activities, some clubs, some parks, few markets are also there. So we are just wondering. So please come. So our friends are also there. You can see, and some Japanese people. Please, share on this side. Some Japanese people are also there. But if you will go to Tokyo at this moment, you will find a lot of people. But as this city is not that big and that big activities like Tokyo and maybe Saitama is having, that's why the city life is now vanishing. On this side, you can see certain people are also there. So I'll try to capture some other good views if I'll find anyone. So at the moment the signal is that this is also a good. So now again it's turned, so it's open for pedestrian. So Navid, please show.
This is a Central Park.
Central Park.
It's closed actually.
Yeah, it's closed actually. So this side also a perfect view. And quite a few people are there because as I told you earlier that it's late night here in Nagoya, but still the main purpose was to show you different places. On this side, Navid, please come. So we are just wondering, and I just few words of a song Navid came into my mind. So I should sing, yeah?
Yeah.
In English.
You should. You must actually.
Yeah, thank you. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na. So the purpose of actually singing this song is because now we are enjoying this life after a headache and hectic routine of our lab, because experiments are going on. So now we are trying to live our life. So some people are also there. So I hope you'd have enjoyed this. So I'll try to capture some other views as well. I will share with you the overall aspects of this Nagoya life if you find any. So please subscribe our channel so that we can share with you some interesting things in other vlogs. Thank you so much.